statement of the case. Mr. Dow was charged by way of grand jury indictment in the 8th Judicial District Court, Clark County, Nevada, along with co-defendant Jason Mathies as follows. Counts 1 and 3 conspiracy to commit murder, and counts 2 and 4 murder with use of a deadly weapon. Mr. Dow's jury trial began on July 14, 2008, and lasted 6 days. On July 21, 2008, the jury returned a verdict of guilty as to counts 1 and 3, and guilty of first-degree murder with use of a deadly weapon with respect to counts 2 and 4. 3. Following a penalty phase on that same day, the jury imposed a sentence of life imprisonment without the possibility of parole on each of counts 2 and 4, respectively. Thereafter, on September 30, 2008, the court adjudicated Mr. Dow guilty and sentenced him to imprisonment without the possibility of parole. Mr. Dow's judgment of conviction was filed on October 9, 2008. Mr. Dow filed a timely notice of appeal on October 15, 2008. The notice of appeal was filed by trial counsel. However, Mr. Dow's direct appeal was ultimately filed by Nevada attorney Lisa Rasmussen and California attorney Stuart Hanlon. In addition, an individual named Tim Finnegan, who was holding himself out as an attorney and was also being represented as Mr. Dow's lawyer by Stuart Hanlon, performed the direct appeal briefing. Unbeknownst to Mr. Dow and his agents at the time, Tim Finnegan was not a licensed Nevada nor California attorney. Mr. Dow's opening brief on direct appeal was filed with the Nevada Supreme Court on May 27, 2009. On May 26, 2010, the Nevada Supreme Court affirmed Mr. Dow's conviction. On June 21, 2010, remand order issued. On April 20, 2015, Mr. Dow, in proper person, filed his first post-conviction petition for writ of habeas corpus in the district court. Mr. Dow also filed a motion for appointment of counsel on the same day. The state filed its response on June 4, 2015. On June 9, 2015, the district court held a hearing without Mr. Dow's presence and denied the petition as time-barred. The district court also denied Mr. Dow's motion for appointment of counsel. On July 10, 2015, the district court entered its findings of fact, conclusions of law, and order denying said petition. On July 16, 2015, Mr. Dow, in proper person, filed a motion for rehearing and again attached as an exhibit a letter from Mr. Hanlon indicating that post-conviction petition was being handled by Tim. Mr. Dow also attached a letter establishing that he had submitted a bar complaint on Mr. Hanlon. On August 11, 2015, undersigned counsel appeared on behalf of Mr. Dow, and the district court ultimately vacated and set aside its previous findings of fact, conclusions of law, and order denying Mr. Dow's post-conviction petition. The district court then also set a supplemental briefing schedule, as well as oral argument on the supplemental petition for February 2, 2016. The district court did not set an evidentiary hearing. The parties thereafter filed additional supplemental briefings with the district court. On March 1, 2016, after entertaining oral argument, the district court denied Mr. Dow's petition for writ of habeas corpus without conducting an evidentiary hearing. The district court entered its findings of fact and conclusions of law and order on April 6, 2016. On May 15, 2016, Mr. Dow timely filed his notice of appeal. 5. On June 11, 2019, the Nevada Court of Appeals issued an order affirming in part, reversing in part, and remanding the matter for an evidentiary hearing related to the issue of good cause. The Nevada Court of Appeals found in part that Dow provided specific allegations that were not belied by the record and, if true, would warrant relief. The Nevada Court of Appeals also stated herefore, we conclude the district court erred by denying this good cause claim without conducting an evidentiary hearing. Accordingly, the district court should conduct an evidentiary hearing to assess Dow's claim of attorney abandonment and whether he can demonstrate cause to excuse the delay. The state's petition for review was ultimately denied. On March 17, 2021, the district court conducted an evidentiary hearing. Witnesses Stuart Hanlon, non-attorney Tim Finnegan, Lisa Rasmussen, Matt Machen, Carlos Levixier, and Mr. Dow testified. In addition to other evidence, it was established at the evidentiary hearing that Mr. Finnegan was not a licensed attorney and that he and Mr. Hanlon made misrepresentations to Mr. Dow and his associates regarding defendant's petition for writ of habeas corpus. At the evidentiary hearing on March 17, 2021, Mr. Dow was not permitted to introduce evidence regarding the prejudice prong of NRS 34.726. Rather, the hearing was bifurcated by the district court, and Mr. Dow limited to presenting evidence regarding the good cause for the delay in filing. 6 On April 1, 2021, the district court heard oral argument and found that defendant established good cause to show that the delay in filing the petition was not his fault. The court set the matter for additional argument on the issues related to prejudice. On May 11, 2021, the district court heard oral argument and stated that Mr. Dow had not established prejudice. The district court also denied defendant's request for the district court to grant an evidentiary hearing on the issues related to prejudice. On June 17, 2021, Mr. Dow filed his motion for reconsideration regarding the denial of his post-conviction petition for writ of habeas corpus and evidentiary hearing. On June 23, 2021, the state filed its opposition to said motion. On June 29, 2021, the district court held a hearing on Mr. Dow's motion for reconsideration and denied said motion. On July 8, 2021, the district court entered its notice of entry of findings of fact and conclusions of law which denied Mr. Dow's petition for writ of habeas corpus at 1321. On July 21, 2021, defendant timely filed his notice of appeal. After being fully briefed without oral argument, on June 13, 2022, the Nevada Court of Appeals entered its order of affirmance in relation to the district court's denial of Mr. Dow's previously filed petition for writ of habeas corpus. 7 On September 22, 2022, the Nevada Court of Appeals denied Mr. Dow's petition for rehearing. On November 7, 2022, the Nevada Supreme Court denied Mr. Dow's petition for review.